We have several emotions or feelings like happiness, anger, sadness, fear, etc. This poem revolves around the theme crying and then feeling happy after crying. It's written by Galway Kinnell, an American poet. He's an award-winning poet and has written several poems connecting the experiences of daily life. We cry for several reasons. When we get hurt, when we don't get what we want, when someone hurts us, scolds us, and so crying brings out all our sorrows and gives us a relaxation. Now let's see what the poet says. Crying only a little bit is no use. Here he says, crying very little is not going to help you. That will not release our stress or sadness. We should cry our heart out to let the emotions out, and let's not keep them inside. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. We should let out all our tears till the pillow gets soaked in tears. Here, soaked means completely wet. So, pillow should be completely wet with tears. You can imagine how much tears you should shed to soak the pillow. This will enable us to get relief from all our sorrows. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. After crying a lot, you can take a shower bath. Shower bath means a bath where water is sprayed on you from all sides. You can jump and splash the water and show your happiness. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. You can now open your window, look outside, laugh loudly, saying ha 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 ha, because you are happy now. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? On seeing you laughing loudly, people passing by may ask you what is the reason for laughing loudly. Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha. You can say, I was feeling sad and cried a lot. I wept, shed tears, and in the last year, my happiness was hiding. I am relaxed and happy now, and that's why I am laughing. Dear children, crying has got an healing effect. You will be relieved from tensions when you cry a lot. You will be relaxed and refreshed after crying a lot.